Today we're doing my first coding ASMR. I'm studying a lot of coding stuff. This is Rust language, and I thought it would be fun to do a video about it, And you have here my soft speaking and keyboard sounds, This, I'm just typing random things here. So yeah, let's create a new code. This is gonna be guessing game.rs. RS is from Rust. And I'm following the book from Rust. This is a very known book, but it's not actually a book. And yeah, I need to remember some basic stuff, so let's do the hello world again. Open terminal, projects direct, hello world. I don't know what this does. Writing and running a Rust program. Okay, this is to run. And this is to compile and generate the exe file. Okay. And there's an easier way to do so, but I don't remember. Compiling and running are separate steps. These are less. Let's do a hello world. Okay, we have here the terminal. You can see the entry L, and this will show the directory. Yeah, it shows all the files. Okay. On Linux, Mac, you see files. Show me. I have to use Rust C guessing game .rs. There's a error here. Main function not found in guessing. Oh my god. Cargo run, cargo build. Oh, build cargo. This is a thing. Build cargo. Oh. Let's go back to the I forgot everything now. New cargo. Guessing game. Okay. Build cargo. Let's see. Cargo. New CD. Guessing game, because I have this thing here now. I remember that. Then build cargo. Oh, I forgot all about it. Okay, I know cargo is an easier way to deal with files, not for basic programs like this, but I want to try using it to get used to it. Okay. Let's see. Printf cargo build. Maybe cargo build. Okay, we're building the cargo. Nice. Looks different cargo from pure prompt from time. It's going to create an executable rather in your current directory, because default build is a debug cargo. Let's see. This is how you execute it, but I have to use guessing.exe. Hello world, alright. But there's something wrong with it. It's supposed to say goodbye world. Oi. Let's try it again. Guessing game. Cargo build. Hello. Oh my god. Let's check the commands. Cargo maybe. Hello world. I think this terminal is using another code maybe. I'm very confused. Let's try to start a new project. I really do not know what I am doing. So, is this a project? Run the bug. How do I close the project? Open folder, say exit. Oh, let's try it again. I really do not know what I'm doing. New file, new window. No. Yeah, this is probably triggering you guys. It's okay, I'll find a way. New open phone. Okay. These are the lessons. Okay. Guessing_king. Select folder. Save all. Okay, I feel. Oh, alright. Yes, I trust you. I'm the author, come on. Okay, guessing game .rs underscore. Okay. I do not remember the I forgot the name. The thing. Okay, this. Hello world. Let's try. Oi. Okay. Where is the terminal? Oh my god. Oh, here it is. I think this is not terminal. Build cargo. No. Cargo new. Yes. Underscore game. Is that it? Oops. Let's see. Cargo run. Cargo build. Oh my god. Cargo new. Hello. Okay. This is it. Alright. Now build cargo. Oh my god. What do I do now? Cargo new. Thumbs up, use minimal language. Cargo build. Yeah, no. Different. It was supposed to work. Oh, it's cargo build, not build cargo. I could not find cargo. Cargo new. You can override cargo new. Maybe I need to change directory. How to change directory? Oh do not know how to do that. CD, Rust learning, guessing, maybe I need to do guessing. Okay. Alright, cargo build. Alright. Now let's take a look at this. Rust info source. Is this the .exe? I don't know. Doesn't seem deep. Oh, it's here. Okay, alright. There is like this. No, this. Guessing underscore game.x. Hello, oh my god, it's saying hello world. Why? Okay. What is going on? Let's see. Why is it printing hello world? Cargo build. Hello world again. There's something really wrong going on. Maybe I need this money sign. I think this is for Linux. Yeah. Cargo build. Oh my god. This is not gonna work today. Cargo room. Cargo check. What's cargo room? Low mode. Huh. Print on land. Okay. Cargo. Let's read this slow. Cargo's arrest, simple pros, cargo and dependencies. Creating a cargo project. Cargo new. Okay, I did that. And I have to change directory. I did that. The first command creates a new directory and project called Hello Cargo. We name our project Hello Cargo and create its files of directory same name. Going to Hello Cargo, this file you see cargo generated 2 files, 1 directory for us. Tion I don't know. Let's type. Oh, it shows this type here. Is this the Tom obvious whatever L file? And can I? Let's see. Description? No. Extension. I need extension. File as I know file extension. Okay. Now we got it. There's a new Git repository. It won't be generated if you run cargo new. This is over. Okay. Let's try this. Error. A maquette. I don't know what I made. Something. Open cargo tone, text, I don't need this. Oh, let's see this. Guessing game. Alright. The last line, dependencies. The Zero section. Ooh. Package with force. Cargo has a Hello World program. Cargo. So. Oh, alright. We found out the problem. Cargo build. Let's. Oh, I didn't press Ctrl S. A cargo build. Alright, let's go. Our first hello world is as fast. Alright. I'm not even pressing my keyboard that much. There's cargo build. Cargo run. Alright. Beautiful release. Oh yeah. You always have to cargo build release when it's the final version, because it will be a better file, something like that. Let's see, summary. Programming a guessing game. Alright, you learn about let, match methods, associated functions, external crates, and more. In following chapters, we will explore the ideas more detailed. In this chapter, just practice the fundamentals. Implement a classic binary program problem, a guessing game. Here's how it works. A program will generate a random integer, which is a number with no decimal part, between 1 and 100. It will then prompt the player to enter a guess. After the guess is entered, the program will indicate whether the guess is too low or if the guess is correct. The game will print a congratulatory message and exit. Alright. Okay, guessing game, tone file. Alright, print. This is what we've been through right now. Run command. Rapidly iterate on a process. What is the run command? Cargo. Oh, it's the one we just used. Alright. Processing again. The first part against the problem, we will ask the user for an input. Process that input and check the input is in an expected form. To start, we allow the player to input guess into the code listing 2 to 1 into what? Enter the code in listing 2 1 into, so I don't know what this means. Listing 2 code that gets a guess from the user and prints. Okay. Standard IO. Isn't the same library from C? stdio input, standard input output. Print yes and no. Let's just copy and no, I'm gonna write this down just so you guys hear the keyboard. Let's see. Oh, come on. Okay. Yes. Print. Please input your guess. I know we have to use use this exclamation point because this is not a function. This is a macro, whatever this means. I do not know what it means, but it works. So, and this was the explanation I got. Let a mutable variable named guess be equals string new. This is a function to create a string. It's like C#, I guess. Read line. We're gonna borrow the value of guess. The mutable variable. This is important because we're changing the variable, and you can do only one borrowage. You can borrow only once if it's mutable. You can make only one mutable reference, but you can make infinite immutable references. So if we try to do another mutable reference, it could not work because the variable guess is still borrowed to the function readline. At least that's what I understood about the language. Failed to read line. Okay, alright. Let's cargo to see if there's any error. Oh, there's a lot of errors. Oh my god. Okay. Print ln. You guessed. I forgot the thingy. I'll fix the error later. Yes, okay. Let's see what is the error. Oh my god. Path cargo use no. It's this no method read. Oh, it's read. Oh, that's it. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't save. Cargo view. Alright. Cargo run. Oh, let's see. 5. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. We are starting to believe in the Matrix, you know? Okay. Oops. This code contains a lot of information, so let's go over line by line. To obtain the user input and print the result as output, we need to bring the I/O input-output library into scope. The I/O library comes from standard library, known as std. Uses like import. Okay. By default, Rust has a set of undefined standard library. It brings into the scope of a program. This is called prelude. By default, Rust has set of undefined standard prelude. Standard library documentation. Okay. If a type you want to use isn't in the prelude, you have to bring that type into the scope explicitly with a use statement. Okay, like print ln is on the prelude. Read line isn't. This is on standard I/O. Okay, this makes sense. Features include the ability to accept user. As you saw in chapter 1, the main function is the entry point. The fn syntax declares a new function. The parentheses indicate there are no parameters, and the curly brackets start the body of the function. As you learn chapter 1, produce a macro, like I said, where print string underscore. This calls print a prompt stating the game is requesting input from user. Storing values of variables. Let me draw another. Okay, next we'll create a variable to store user input like this. Let mute, okay. The program is getting interested, there's a lot going on in this line. We use the let statement to create a variable. Let me test talking closer to the mic. Hello there, this sounds better, but it's not practical for me, sadly. Okay, statement to create a variable. Here's another example. Let apples be 5. Let's create a new variable named apples, and by the value 5 in Rust, variables are immutable by default, meaning once they give the variable value, the value won't change. We will be discussing the concept in detail in the verbs and immutability in section 3 of this chapter. No, in chapter 3. To make a variable mutable, we add mute. Okay. The thing, I don't know his name, // I don't know. Syntax style command continues until the end of the line. Rust ignores everything in the comments. We discuss comments. Okay, comments is pretty standard. So if I type this is not part of my code. This is just a commentary. We use this to comment on stuff on the code, so you can I don't know, read the code more easily, read your own. Like, I know what everything here do, but imagine I'm doing a 1000 line code. You definitely need to put notes. This reads the input. Yeah, but it's more useful for more complex stuff, not for basic things like this. Return, if like I'm using a library that I never use with a weird command, I can do this, something like this, to just, say what the command do, or a function I'm creating. Return, I guess let me guess. Introduce the mutable variable. The equal signs that was we want to bind something to the variable now. On the right of the equal signs is the variable that guess is bound to, which is the result of string new. A function returns a new instance of a string. String is a type provided by the standard library that is growable. What is a growable? UTF encoded bit of text. Oh my god, what does that mean? I don't know. Anyways, let's just ignore this. The thing here, new, indicates that a new is association function of the string type. So, okay. Let's implement on a type that is in case a string. The new function creates a new empty string, and you find a function on many types because it's a common name for a function that makes a new value of some kind. Info, let mute guess string new line has created a mutable variable that is currently bound to a new empty instance of string. Receiving using would now a class TD function from the IO model allows to handle user input. If you had an import IO library with uses at the beginning of the program, we could still use the function by writing this function called as std io std. This new function returns an instance of std which is a type that represents a handle to the standard input of your terminal. Next, so I guess it means we could have done this. I don't know. Let's test it to understand it. Cargo run. Yeah, okay. But I understand that this makes it more organized, and I'm only importing the library once. Maybe this is more effective because I'm not gonna use as standard in the rest of the code, so the computer would clean its memory from the standard input library. I don't know. Anyways, let's keep going. Next line. Dot read line mute guess. Readline math standard input handler mute guess argument. Readline what string to store its user input. The full job of readline is to take whatever the user types into standard input and append it to the string without overwriting its content. So therefore pass the string as an argument or doing some other. The string argument needs to be mutable so the method can change the string's content. Indicates that the argument is a reference, which gives you a way to let multiple parts of the code access one pin. Okay, so this means if I haven't used this, I wouldn't be changing the value of guess. Alright. But it wouldn't even work because a function is made to work with references or values, not both usually. I don't know if this makes sense for you. Anyways, this is not a class, by the way, guys. You can acquire some information with it, but the idea here is for me to study something. Oh my god. Anyway, multiple parts of the code, one piece of data without needing to copy that data into memory multiple times. References are complex feature. One of Rust's major advantages is how safe and easy to use its reference. Yeah, because it doesn't allow you to do a lot of stuff that wasn't efficient or that would break your code, your program, that other languages allow you to do. It's a more strict language. That's why Rust is so good. You don't need to know a lot of those details to finish this program. For now, all you need to know is that, like variables, references are immutable by default. I know this. We're still working on this line of code. We're now discussing the third line of text. Expect. Oh, that is so low. We could have written read line expect. What? This is confusing. We could have written this code as IO. One long line is difficult to read, so it's best to divide. It's often wise to introduce a new line, otherwise white space to help break up long lines when you call a method with methods underscore name. Let's see. Oh, this is the method underscore. Okay. Now let's discuss what the line does. Read line puts whatever the user enters the string we pass to it, but it also returns a result value. Okay, and it's saved on guess. It's an enumeration after called enum, which is a type that can be in one of multiple possible states. I have no idea what this means. We call each possible state a variant. What the hell does this mean? Oh my god. Okay, in this chapter we'll look at the number also refers to enum. Enums allow you to define a type by enumerating its possible variants. Oh, okay. understand what the number is. Result is an enumeration often called. Why is result an enumeration? That doesn't make any sense. Can be in one multiple possible states. We call each possible state a variant. Chapter 6 will cover numbers in more detail. The purpose of this. Okay, chapter 6 will understand that. The problem with computer programming, it's very overwhelming, and there's a lot of stuff that you're reading about and you won't understand it for a long while, and that's how it goes. There isn't anything we can do about it. Anyway, Redline puts whatever they uses. Okay, we will. But results of variant are okay. Error from error, I believe. The OK variant indicates the operation was successful. And OK. Oh, okay. Now result makes sense. Enumeration is a variable that can be whatever you want it to be. And in this case, this enumeration can either be OK or error. If I wanted it to be like right on and get out of here, it would. And yeah, let's keep going. An error contains information how and why the operation failed. Okay. Results variants are okay. The error value results. I'm gonna stop the video here because I have some stuff to do, but we'll continue it tomorrow, I believe, and yeah, I'll try to remember where I stopped, and I hope this helped you to relax. It wasn't much typing intensive. My World of Warcraft video didn't have much keyboard sound because of the way I made my setup, but my next World of Warcraft will have more keyboard sound if you're into that. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.